This ain't. This.
Be nice.
I'm finding it.
It take you that long to find it?
It does.
I love you. I love you. Yes, good. Say it. Say it.
All right, Ben, will you help me make a sandwich? Give me the ham. Good boy, bring it here. Thank you. Will you give me some cheese? Hold on to it. Here. No, it's not for you. Not for you. Here. Will you give me the mustard? Good boy. Good. Now, and maybe some ketchup too. Ketchup. Cold. Good boy. And maybe a beer. Beer to finish it off. Good boy. Good boy. Now shut the door. Shut it. Oh, grab me that one too. Okay, grab me that one. Shut the door. Shut the door. Good boy. Good.
What are we gonna do? Hi, babies. Hi, baby. Hey. Hi, baby.
What did you do, Aries? Aries, were you bad?
Pikachu charged. Pikachu, thunder attack.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What did you guys do? What did you do? Holy no! No! You guys!
Excuse me? What are you doing?
Hey, shake a paw. Paw? Shake a paw. Okay, now here you go.
You can do it. Go, go, go. Come on.
It's not easy. Okay, come on, let's go. Come on. We're gonna go up the stairs.
Puppies. Puppies. Good job. Can you do it? Yay. Come on, puppy. Yay. Puppy, puppy.
No, no, no. Stay outside. No, stay outside.
What did you do? Why are you a mess? What did you get into? Shall we go find out? Odie May! Hey! You've got to be kidding me.
Quem é que roeu isto? Quem foi? Hã? Quem foi? Julie? Ai, 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 ai. Quem foi que roeu isto?
You okay there, Cooper?
I need to wear my old lady glasses so I can see the remote to change the TV channel. I don't like what Mama has chosen for us tonight.
Oh my god, he's got it by the jaw now.
Dá beijo. Dá beijo aqui, vem. Dá beijo. Conrado. Dá beijo. Beijo. Dá beijo. Dá beijo.
Can you please stop eating all the snow back there? What? I'm not eating all the snow. I don't even eat the snow. Why would you even say that? I'm not doing any of that. Listen, I need you to focus. Get your shit together back there. Yeah, no, my shit is together. Totally together, totally focused.
Okay, I need debit card number.
Ready to do some tricks? Go under. Good boy. Lay down. Lay down. Roll over. Oh, so fast. High five. Very good. Can you woof? Good boy. Can you go around me? Very good. Back up. Back up. Lay down. Be sneaky. Be sneaky. Can you roll over again? Oh, very good. High five.
I have a perfect TV dog, and this is what I mean.
What are you doing? Protecting the little one?
You sound like the galloping gourmet. Come on, let's go.
No. You wanna go eat? Come on. Oh my God. So let's say she got her plate. She's ready. She's Thanksgiving ready.
Is there a caca over there? Oh, is there a caca? Caca.
Coco! As you can see, we're doing some construction, so Winnie has her safety hat on. You have your safety hat on?
My safety dog.
Yes.
Okay.
You got the baby?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is my baby boy. And my cousin.
It's not your cousin, he's a puppy.
He's my baby boy cousin because he's so cute.
What are you doing?
Excuse me.
Stop doing that. Stop. If you don't want it, leave it alone.
Oh. Ah. Mmm.
Hey, bad. Bad. I knew it. I knew it.
What happened here? Did you do this? Did you do that? No.
Say goodnight, Lola.
Good night, baby.
Say goodnight.
Hi, baby. Thank you. Oh, yes.
What the fuck? Are you guys kidding me? Are you serious?
You better not hit this camera.
You got your doggy. You got your puppy.
This? Did you open this? Shashi, you were supposed to wait.
I'm waiting until Christmas.
Why are you opening your toy?
So she's very tiny.
I know. She's a miracle cat. Aren't you, honey? Blue, get your nose out of there. Get your nose in here.
they're obviously not hurting you. You put yourself in here. Brush your back.
Okay. Well, I won't be doing any of that, but thank you so much.
Begin.
अच्छा ठीक है तुम हल्ला कर चुम्मा दे दो चुम्मा नहीं चलो सुगर चॉकलेट खाएगी चुम्मे दे मेरे बाबू चलो चॉकलेट खाने चॉकलेट खिला देते हैं मेरा बेटा बाबू तो अच्छा तुम्हें
I'm not sure yet though, but maybe we'll go for a walk, we'll go potty, we'll see grandma, and maybe we'll go get some tacos. We can go get a taco, maybe some
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God.
Mama. Good boy. Mama.
Trying to drop, it may be something for you. It may be something for you, man.
You want to? Uh-oh.
Yeah.
It's my damn dog. That's my dog. Can you? Can you not do that, Xena? Xena, do not get on the horn. Get in the back. Don't do that. I'll be right back.
Right. Go then.
Friend.
Now, like, you be nice. That's daddy's friend. Let him pet you.
Okay.
You want to go out there? Or is it too cold? Oh, it's too cold. That's yes.
You found a way! You found a way!
No. No. No.
Same technology that they used when I was going to physical therapy yesterday. I was going to a chiropractor, so.
Sunny!
This is what happened, John. Get him! Get him!
Give me my bike! Get
Whoa! Oh! Who got into that? Who got into the dog food?
Excuse me. Excuse me.
You're so funny. You still want to swim.
You wagging your tail.